It was a cold night in a cold city with nothing but lit windows and drawn curtains all around. Parked cars, shattered dreams, leaking valve cover gaskets. I was sitting on my porch one afternoon waiting for my latest shipment of BMW genuine coolant and antifreeze when a man appeared all dressed up, nice shirt, decent jacket, great tie. Lawyer? Banker? Salesman of mediocre suits? He greeted me with a good evening, which I found strange considering it was just after 4 p.m. I dutifully responded with a hi. The fellow revealed to me in no uncertain terms that he was determinedly looking for something very special indeed, and he wondered if I was in a position to accept a barterous offer. This piqued my interest, and I was willing to play along to see where the music stopped, so I said, "Yeah, sure." He passed me a manila envelope from his jacket pocket. I opened it and understood that he was looking for none other than Dingus, my ratty E36. Well, as luck would have it, Dingus was right there in the backyard, but it wouldn't come for free. So I said, "Yeah, I have one in the backyard, but it won't come for free." The words barely left my wretched lips before he reached into his coat pocket for a second time and came back with another envelope, a white business one this time. I don't know what I expected to find there. Salvation, notice of stock holdings in the Liquid Molly Oil Company, a coupon for a free Happy Meal at any participating McDonald's. Whatever it was that I was expecting, it wasn't this. I looked back at him, and he nodded, as if answering the very question that I had yet to ask. Was this for real? I knew a deal like this couldn't last long, like a bottle of cheap liquor at a meeting of the minds. So I asked him if he'd like to come inside to handle the paperwork. "Maybe you should come inside. Let's make a deal." He did.
I traded an E36 for a Porsche.